Hi guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Arty Resin channel. So today's video is going to be a lot different from everything that I've recorded so far because I'm not going to be making any resin project today. Some of you guys reached out to me asking me if I could record, make a video showing my workspace. And I thought that was a good idea. Like, why not, you know? So I kind of organized it a little bit. It's not 100% organized, but yeah, I did. And I'm gonna show you guys where I work and a little bit of everything that is in here, okay? So here is where the magic happens. Just kidding, but yeah, here is where I pour the resin. I make the resin pieces, the resin projects. I am working on this one. It will probably be one of the next videos. I'm gonna do like a little Halloween hanging decor, so my daughter can bring to her classroom so they can put in the front door in the class door. It's nice, right? So yeah. And I cover like that. I use this to cover because I don't want any kind of fur or anything like insects to get inside, so I protect with this. And yeah, so here I have all my acrylic paints and alcohol inks and my small, these are the smaller molds I have. I like to leave them here closer to me, so if I have some leftover resin, I can use them. Like these ones, for example, they're like halfway done, as you guys can see. And I like to have my level here so I can make sure everything's good to go. This is my switch. They call it switch. I don't know, switch brushes. I don't know the name. It's to clean the brushes. You guys probably already saw me using it to clean the brush when I dust the mold. And these are new. I bought them from Timo. Those are, let me try to get one of each. I'm not feeling really good, guys. I'm kind of sick, so that's why my voice is like that. So yeah, this is the pink one is to clean, and the other one, this is a teeny tiny brush, like to dust and paint. Yeah, so here are all my glitters and mica powders and crushed crystal. Here is my little drawer with my pens. Here are the acrylic pens that I love using, and the Sharpie ones, and the metallic ones, and my scissor. These are all my, I call them finishing tools, like what's the name of this? Files and what pie? I don't remember the name of this one, but you guys got it. Yeah, the finishing tools. And here, right beside where I do stuff, where I make the resin projects, are all my stirring sticks and my silicone pans and everything I need. The little spoons, the spatulas. This is the new UV lamp that I recorded a video for you guys. I think it's the last video. It's from Let's Resin. I really like it. These are separated here because I have a custom order to make, like makeup palettes. And down here I have this little cart with some stuff that I use in a daily basis too, like heat gun. This is the mixer. I only use it if my vacuum chamber is here. It's working. It's not, I sent it back to the seller and it will get back tomorrow, so I hope it works. And when I have the vacuum chamber, I use the mixer. And this is oh my god, what's the name of it, guys? The drill. Yeah, like a teeny tiny drill, right? To when I do the hanging decors, I use it. I have another UV lamp here, and my alcohols, paper towel, see, 70% alcohol, 99% alcohol, tape to clean the molds, wipes, gloves are really important. This is my thermometer if I want to measure the temperature of the resin. These are the bigger spatulas for the bigger cups, my little trash. And down here I have parchment paper, alcohols, extra silicone mats. In this drawer I have all my glues and UV resin. And here are some of the resins I use. In here I put the platinum premium epoxies. Down here I have ultra clear and let's resin epoxies. Here are all my cups, my measure cups, and these little, I don't know the name of this, that I like using under the mold so I can bring them. Sometimes I remember, sometimes I forget, but it's really helpful. So I put the molds on top of it here on the table. Get it like here, and I put the mold on top of it, and when I need to bring it somewhere else, I just take the tray, you know, and I put it over there. So yeah, I bought them on Dollar Tree a while ago. So here, this is the channel. Arty Resin channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe guys, okay? Like the videos, comment, participate. Here are some, like just a few, like some of my last creations. I like to leave them here. I like to look at them. The ones that I'm selling, I just like, if I sell one, I put another one, you know what I mean? So yeah. This is brand new. I bought it yesterday. I think it's gonna be nice to record videos, like put the finished product here and like turn it and record videos. I think it's gonna be nice. Let's see in the next video if it's gonna work or not. And these are the new molds. Here is where the vacuum chamber is supposed to be. So this I need to find somewhere else to put this. This is the pump. So if the vacuum chamber comes back and it's still not working, I will send back the pump. And if it really doesn't work, I'm gonna send them all back and have my money back because I'm just full of it, you know. So yeah, these are some new molds. This is the little turtle from Resin. I can't wait to make it. Some Christmas molds, some tray molds, cabochons. I really want to try those. Christmas too. Little trays. Here is where I have like my agenda, my planner, and my laptop so I can edit the videos. And here are most of my molds, because you guys saw there are some there, some there. But yeah, most of them are here. I try to be organized and separate them. Like the bigger ones are on top. And these are the dip molds, like for decorate, like the decorations. Here are the games and the hanging decors, the second drawer. And the last one is for the trays and coasters. And here is my level table. I like to bring them from there to here so they can be level, like 100% level to cure nice. And I have a small heat mat here. I don't like to use all my silicone molds on it, so it's smaller. And here are some of the last pieces I've recorded, but I don't know if you guys watched the last video. I told you about the fact that the camera is giving me a headache too. It's not just my phone. So I recorded 3 videos, and when I uploaded them, they were not a sound, like it was mute 100%. So yeah, I need to voice over all of them to download for you guys to watch, you know. So yeah, some of them I didn't record the skulls though. It was just like the little pumpkin, the big pumpkin, the fish, it glows in the dark, and the home sign. And I need to finish this one here. And here is where I leave all the embellishments, let's say like that. And let me try to show you guys. I have a lot of stuff. Here are like charms and dried flowers, some leaves. There are a lot of stuff, guys. I don't even know the names, you know, like rhinestones and glass eyes, wood cuts, and crushed glass, and beads, and a bunch of stuff, you know. Here too, I have like necklaces, chains, shells, rocks, more eyes, and a lot of stuff, and foil papers, really chunky glitters, and brushes, big brushes, tattoos. This thing is full of stickers and stencils. And here I have like this tape, for example, is to use with some of the, I don't know the names. It's hard for me, guys. There are a lot of stuff in English that I really don't know the names. Let me see if I find them to show you. But yeah, like I have keychain stuff, and this is to laminate. I don't know if that's the right word. Photos and everything, if I want to use them in the resin. These are fairy lights, things I can add in the projects, you know. These are for the trays, see? And here I have, oh, these are mirrors inside. These are to create like notebooks. Here I have magnets, and I don't like those. Like, these are to make shakers, but I don't like making shakers. These are barrettes, and these are for the notebooks too, and these are for the pop sockets, and yeah, a lot of stuff in here. So, oh, let me try to find the things I use with this, so you guys know what I'm talking about, because I don't know the names. So look, here I have, oh, see, a lot of stuff like beads, and let's see this one. These are some of, because I used to do polymer clay earrings too. So I have some stuff here. Oh, here, I found them. Ow! I'm wearing socks. Here, these. So this tape is to tape this down so I can UV resin them and create stuff, you know. So I have a lot of stuff here too. Look at these leaves. I love them. They're so cute. I use them a lot. Yeah. So I have some rocks in here. I really like using rocks in the projects too. See here. Let's see what else. More rocks in there. Shells, chains, and some of random stuff here. I'm sorry, guys. I needed to find a better spot here to record to you, because it's I have a teeny tiny space here. So yeah, so here is my Cricut machine, my Cricut maker, and I have some supplies to work with it. And here are the packaging stuff, you know, and those are some, let me show you guys, some frisbees. I like sending frisbees to the customers. Like, I add them to the boxes, and they really like, you know, they really do. So yeah, this is my workspace. I hope you guys liked it, and I think that's the video for today. So once more, I want to ask you guys to please, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to Arty Resin channel. It's for free, you don't pay anything, and it helps the channel a lot, like it helps to grow. And yeah, let me show you guys a little bit of the channel here. I don't know if you're interested in, but so here are the last videos, like for you, like what YouTube like to suggest you from my videos, you know. And here are the videos are in order. I put them from the last one that I uploaded, you know. So yeah, this was the last one, the trying out Let's Resin UV light, and Halloween resin trick and tray, and all my videos here. And down here you have all the shorts. I just posted this one. And all the short videos are down here. And the last one is like the, hi guys. This last one is the playlists that I created to you guys. So makeup palettes and unboxing new goodies, games, decors, coasters, Halloween vibes, and the short videos. So they're all separated by playlists here. So if you guys are interested. So yeah, that's the channel. And that was today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If there is something that I didn't show you guys, something specific that you were looking to see and you couldn't, and I wasn't able to show you, just let me know in the comments, okay? And I would love to see you guys workspaces. So yeah, share, record it and share with me. I can't wait to see, okay? Have a good night, guys. Bye.